welcome back to the video. Back to about the one and only Simone Nicole TV, and my song what? Period poo. So in this video I'll be doing a unboxing for you guys from the one and only Coach, honey. From Coach. Now I have done a few videos for you guys regarding Coach, and you guys really seem to enjoy them. I have become a Coach girl thanks to my girl Paige. Paige is a video on Instagram. She works at Coach, and she's also an ambassador. Hit her up if you guys want to purchase anything. But yes, based off of that experience, I have not been able to get out of the chokehold that Coach has on me. I purchased this item from the Orlando outlets, right there, literally walking distance, driving distance from Disney World, like a 5-minute drive. I purchased it around Halloween time, and I have worn them a couple times, but I want to go ahead and do an unboxing and show you guys how they look. So I actually went to the store twice. First time I went in there, looked at them, I was like, oh, those are cute. Tried them on, I was like, okay, let me come back. Let me think about it. Left, came back a week later and purchased them. So yeah, let's go and get to the shoes, how the box looks. So it's Coach. Pretty basic box. This is my first time buying any pair of shoes from Coach, to be honest. And this is how it looked. It was more organized, more neat when I purchased it, of course. And this is how the boot looks. It's a black thigh-high boot. It's boot season, y'all. We're well into boot season at this point. It's past Christmas, and that's one thing I like to do for myself. I like to purchase a boot once a year, a boot and a nice jacket once a year, a jacket, coat, whatever, outerwear, clothing once a year, because I live in a climate, well, I'm from a climate that is very warm majority of the time. I want to say it only gets cold in like December and January, to be honest, especially in Atlanta. I'm in Atlanta at the moment, but this is how the boot looks. This is the Coach boots that I purchased, and the name of this is, let's see, hold on. It's called the Wheeler Stretch Boot, and to be honest, they run small in my opinion, and I got them in a size 9.5. Normally I wear an 8, 8.5, or 9 in shoes, but in this boot I wear a 9.5. It's a 9.5B, I guess, black. And yeah, the original price I believe was $350, but because I bought them at the outlet, they only cost me a little over $100, which I think is pretty good for thigh-high boots that actually fits. Because for me, the issue that I have with thigh-high boots is that they end up rolling down at the top, or they might be too loose around the ankle. But because there's a zipper, as you guys can see, I don't have that issue with looseness around the ankle. Like, there's no sagginess, and the thigh-high part is perfectly made for my thigh. My thigh and these boots work well together, so well together. So let me give you guys a close-up of how they look. So this is how the top of it looks. It's this suede material, so like it's that material that changes the shade of the darkness depending on which way you swipe it. So we have that, and then the heel is not super high either, which is why I really wanted this, because it's a very comfortable boot in my opinion. It's probably a 3.5-inch heel, I think. I've worn heels that are taller than this, and this right here is very comfortable in my opinion, and it has the beaded design, which I definitely fell in love with. I don't own any boots that have this design going around the entire base of the shoe. I think that's so cute, and we love gold over here. I'm a gold hardware girl, and the zipper also is gold, and it has, I believe it has Coach written on it as well. You guys can see. Yep, super cute, super cute. So yeah, that is the boots that I purchased from Coach. I have no regrets. Definitely needed a pair of thigh-high boots with the heel. I have a pair of thigh-high boots, but the size, to me, it was too big, the one that I have, and they're flat. So like they're combat kind of style, but not combat. Like they don't have any strings or slip-ons, leather slip-on that goes all the way up to my thighs. But they don't stay up, they fall down, no matter if I wear leggings, jeans, no matter. But these babies stay up if I wear tights, if I wear leggings, I haven't worn jeans with them, but that would definitely work, because jeans are the thickest that I would be wearing with these. And yeah, I love them so much, you guys. I want to show you guys how they look with them on. I'll insert me wearing them. I've already styled them with a few outfits. I might put them outfits on again to show you guys how I style them. We'll see. But yeah, they're super comfortable. And we're in boot season, so you gotta get your boots, girl. Get your boots. Go get your boots. Yes, these are my boots. I really don't have anything to say about them. To give you a little quick review, like I said, they're pretty comfortable. They feel nice. They're snug. What else? I have nothing bad to say about them. I have nothing bad to say about them at all. The price was worth it, in my opinion, and they don't look ran through. I've worn them at least 3 times, I want to say, and they look really good still. So it's gonna be a staple piece for me in my closet. I'm not gonna give these away or anything or try to sell them. I'm gonna keep them because they're Coach, and I've already gotten compliments on them. My auntie loves them. She wants a pair for herself. So yeah, here go the boots, you guys. I want to make sure I show you guys them. Give you guys a good 360 of how they look. Super cute. I would have preferred the bottom of them to be black, like, because when you walk, people are gonna see that, and that gives dingy. It's the ground, so what do you expect? But if it was a black base, a black bottom, it wouldn't be so noticeable that how much dirt would be on the bottom of them. But yeah, that's the only thing. I like boots that are seamless with the color. Like, the color is the whole entire shoe, the heel, the bottoms, and the actual shoe. Like, I want it all to be one color, and I think that that's not cute. So Coach, in the future, make the bottom of it match the color of the actual boot. I feel like that'll be a really good detail. That'll make an outfit really look super sleek and modern. But yeah, that's it for my unbox. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below if you have these boots or want these boots or think they're cute. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment down below, subscribe, hit that bell, that way you're notified when I have other videos. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!